This is a geospatial semantic search tool. Instead of training a new classifier for each object, planes, mines, solar farms, this AI understands what things look like and what they mean. You can ask it questions about the world, either in plain language or using example images, and it finds what you're talking about. For this demo, I'll show two regions, one around Edwards Air Force Base in the Mojave Desert, and the other around Imam Khomeini International Airport in Tehran. Together, they cover a few thousand square kilometers, but the same approach would work for the entire planet if you bring the imagery and computing resources. Let's start with a search for baseball diamonds. And there's a number of them around. So now we'll do a more specific search. Baseball diamond near dirt road. And now the top result is in fact the baseball diamond that's near some dirt roads. Let's do another search. Let's look for some planes. And yeah, these top results, these are planes around Edwards Air Force Base. Let's make this more specific. Let's do a search for aircraft boneyard. And now the top result, yeah, that's in fact an aircraft boneyard with rows of retired aircraft. Let's search for something that there are a lot of in the desert, solar panels. And yeah, we found lots of them, but it looks like it didn't find them all. But that's just the default. We can use the sensitivity slider to fill that in. Now let's do a fun search. Smiley face. The top result is, I think that's going to be the best smiley face we find out here. One smiley face missing an eye. Finally, let's query with an image. I'm going to use this aerial image of an S-200 surface-air missile launch site. I'm going to enable the Iran imagery, and let's search. Okay, the top result is what I assume is a false positive out in the desert. The second result is this, what other sources say is an empty HQ-2 launch site. Apparently the HQ-2 is a Chinese system that was reverse engineered from the Russian S-200. That's the power of geospatial semantic search, a single model that can find almost anything, anywhere. This was just a few thousand square kilometers, but with global imagery, you could explore the entire planet in the same way. Search the Earth like a map or like a mind.